Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Subaru Impreza WRX sedan, stock reference number 3923. The shape runs from the 4th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2013. It has an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol boxer engine, backed by a 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end as well as the right hand side. The bonnet appears to have no damage. We have the left hand headlight, does have some light sun cracks. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch 10-spoke grey alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left side skirt. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has two small dents. Left rear, factory alloy 10-spoke 17-inch alloy mag. Left tail light. Rear bar reinforcement. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag. Does have a bit of a scuff all over the front of it. Still might be good for a spare. Right rear door has two small dents. Right hand sill skirt. Right power door mirror does have a light little crack on the surround. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy 10-spoke grey mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, tail window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got the WRX Recaro style seats, leather centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof type, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. It's got an average leather 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise audio buttons, and we've also got a full set of factory floor mats as well. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.